Hello and welcome to Rail and Rail Enthusiast and a continuation of our series Top 10 Least Used Stations in Suffolk. To find out where we are today, here's John with the map.
Thanks John, and today we're back on the Felixstowe branch line, which runs from Felixstowe on the southeast of the map to Westerfield in the centre north of the map. And today we're at number 4 on the list. It is Westerfield. Westerfield was opened by the East Suffolk Railway in 1859, but a few years later was taken over by the Great Eastern Railway. At this time the branch to Felixstowe was not here, but this did arrive in 1877. Bay platforms were included for trains running to and from Felixstowe from the opening of the branch line, and this continued until 1879 when most trains continued on towards Ipswich, the bay platforms being used for storage. From the 1880s it had sidings which served the Westerfield Steam Brewery, as well as a coal merchant. During the Second World War, these would also be used for storing engines, including the Polish armour train. After the war, they were used as stabling for the Pullman camping coaches during the winter, these being moved to Felixstowe during the summer months. Unfortunately, like most other stations, these sidings were closed in 1964 and the booking office closed soon after. Modernisation of the track layout, including the addition of automatic barriers, have taken place, and although not terribly busy with passengers, the line here sees much freight to and from the port, as well as the occasional nuclear flask train from Sizewell. At time of filming, passenger services are provided by Class 755 bi-mode units. And of course there is lots of intermodal freight traffic to and from Felixstowe, most of which at time of recording is hauled by Class 66 locomotives. Starting with platform 1, facilities include the set of waiting shelters, a help point, and an electronic ticketing machine. You will also find brand new service information displays. There is also an onward travel information board. Other information boards are placed on the side of the old station building. This includes a poster detailing the East Suffolk lines. After walking over the level crossing, you will see some warning notices, and beside them some information boards, which also includes a timetable. On the way up to the platform, you'll see some more posters, as well as an old style platform information board. Another help point can be found here, as well as a modern waiting shelter. As at Derby Road, a garden has been lovingly placed beside platform 1. This not only makes the station look very pleasant, but also helps out the local wildlife. And these two plaques help identify many of the species which could be found here. As always, it's nice to see a station being looked after in this way, and I hope it flourishes. The statistics for Westerfield are that it opened in 1859. It has one train per hour in both directions Monday to Saturday, with extra trains to Lowestoft in the peak times and on Sundays. And the entry and exit figures for 2019-2020 were 11,284. The near remoteness of Westerfield means it doesn't get much passenger traffic. However, it is nice to see that the station is still being very well looked after. The addition of a wildflower garden with bug hotel means the station is a pleasant place to be. For the enthusiasts, sightlines are very good. This is the view towards Ipswich, and this is the view towards Felixstowe and Lowestoft. Rail traffic is frequent, and the surroundings make for good photographs or video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks very much for watching.